Man, y'all ain't gonna believe this. I just bought a flip. I'm about to walk in and show you what it looks like on the end of no work has been done. There's all sorts of surprises in here if you want to see them. I got the crew in here, man. We're taking notes. Obviously, you can see I went ahead and need to call the lawn guy because the weeds are touching my knees. So as we roll in here, kind of get a good idea. So what do you think we should do here? And I'm gonna ask you some questions. Give me what you want in the comments. What you think? You think we should do a glass door here? What should we got to replace it? As you can see, we got some door rot, and then we got some older hardwoods when you walk in, and then carpets are, man, them carpets are just, they're done. It's over. You can't use them anymore. The dogs have run their course. So this is coming out. We'll put some beautiful LVT hardwood looking flooring through here. Gonna be right, man. You get to this fireplace, which, listen, if you're like me and you rolled around in, let's say, circa 1996 in houses, then you would like this ornate stuff. But nobody likes that today. So what we're gonna do with this stuff is we're tearing that off. We're gonna put a cedar beam right there. We're gonna paint it white. Do y'all like that? Let me know. All right, so we're in the eat-in kitchen. When we roll in here, you will see backsplash gotta go. Cabinets need to be painted, replacing those brass pulls, putting some stainless appliances in. I'm gonna paint it, give it a little more color. So we get some lights on in this thing. There we go. There's your eat-in. Look, one thing we can keep. Look at this. We don't have to replace that fixture. I love that. So, all right, so when we roll into the master, I love it's got tray ceilings. Big master, carpet's got to go. It's a little dark, paint's got to go. You got your own private deck out there, which I love, but there's a key and this door's locked, and I don't know where the darn key is yet, so you have to give me a minute or just catch my next video. It'll be open by then. So let's roll into the master bath. This is where I really could use your opinion. So listen, what I'm thinking is this shower, yeah, that's a no. I think it needs to come out and be made a him closet, a his closet. You know how us guys, we got this little closet in the corner, and the women got the big, pretty closet like this one right here. We're gonna take it out, put some hardwood floors, do it nice, get this natural light rolling in here. So, however, you're like, well, what are you gonna do if you took out the shower? Just have a bathtub? No, this big bathtub, I don't know many people that use jacuzzi tubs, except for maybe older folks like me, but we're hoping that this house doesn't have somebody that just loves them, because this is coming out. We're gonna put a big old walk-in shower right here. So let me know what you think about that idea. Again, comment below. Man, if this excites you, do me a favor, share, like. I need to sell this thing. It'd be cool to have a contract on it before we finish. I would love that. So anyway, all right, so I'm just yapping. So we'll go through the formal dining. Look here. She's hiding in the pantry. All right, so listen. Formal dining, look, here's another fixture we get to keep. I'm so excited, yay. All right, so then we're gonna roll through. We got 2 bedrooms back here, which are pretty big. Somebody turned off all the lights because we're saving on the power bill already. Look, I ain't owned it but 1 or 2 days to look at it. We're already being conscious of what we spend on this thing, so we can put all our money in making it right for you. Isn't that cool? All right, so here's another big bedroom. Nice size closet. Yeah, again, carpet's coming out. Y'all know that. I already told you about the carpet. It's just been used, man. They've lived here. So, all right, so in the bathroom, it's nice too. I like it. We're gonna put tile on these floors. I'm digging the granite, then that's nice, so we're gonna keep that. Fixture's nice too. This, it's got a little, it was all yellow, you know the song. Anyway, that's gonna come out, new fixtures, new insert, gonna be really nice. And then, so when y'all get in trouble or you got loud, wretched kids or whatever you got that you need some separation of space, or maybe you just need the space and you can come down and put your office down here, put your game room down here, roll with the Tide, war with the Eagles, whatever you want to do. Check it out. Nice finished basement area. This is coming out, hardwood LVT going down, new paint. And if you can see up there, that's another 2 foot. You know what? We're gonna rip this paneling stuff out. You know how you always see it and it's all broken crap. So, you know, we're not going to roll with the broken stuff. We're going to take it all out, black out the ceiling, put a little insulation up there. It'll still be quiet, still be pretty, give you a foot more in ceilings. You won't feel like the fan is a helo about to chop your head off. None of that, man. So we're going to take care of all this for you. And I was thinking about when we come in here, too. Let me know what you think about that basement, by the way. Comment. Coming in here, they left us a little trash. Lovey, so appreciate that. When you come into this big old basement with a 2-car garage, I think we want to waterproof those walls. There's no water on them, but it's just pretty because it's white, and then put that fancy stuff on the floors. So you come in, it's like, pow, I got like this immaculate $1 million garage to park my Taurus in, or whatever, you know, whatever is your gig. So it's awesome. Here's another thing. Thompson High School is back here right off the back. I didn't even take you to the deck. So let me take you over here. So Thompson High School is right off the back of this bad boy. And oh, by the way, at closing, the buyer, or the seller, not the buyer, I was the buyer, duh. The seller, who's as sweet as she could be, told me we got one of the biggest, flattest yards in the neighborhood, and I'm pretty sure that she was accurate with what she told me. So look out there. I can't step off right now because I'll fall into the oblivion, but we're going to put a new deck on so that won't happen to you. If you look right over the top there, you can see Thompson High School. And then if you look all the way around, you got this massive backyard. So if Thompson's not playing football, you can in your backyard. Isn't that cool? All right, there's your first rundown of our house, and we're about to flip it and make it your house. Gene Darden, 205-426-1113. Real Brokerage, SGP Properties. We're bringing it. Let's connect. Bye.